Hello students, welcome back in Moral Science class. Today we will do unit 10 and the title of the unit is The Value of Gratitude. Children, what is gratitude? Gratitude is the quality of being thankful, readiness to show appreciation for and to return kindness. Okay, so take out page number 50. Here some questions are given. Let us read the questions. First is, are you aware of the importance of gratitude? Yes, no, or don't know? Yes, you know. Next, is expressing gratitude a good habit? Yes, expressing gratitude towards other is a good habit. Next, do you use the word thank you very often? Yes. Next, do you thank God for anything? Yes. Next, does gratitude helps us somehow? Yes. Is gratitude related to love? Yes. Is gratitude related to happiness? Yes. Do you feel Do you feel good when you express gratitude? Yes. So children, these were the questions related to the gratitude. Means to help someone, to show the love, to show happiness, and we should thankful to others. This shows the gratitude towards others. Okay, here observe the picture, share your views and write about it. Just see the picture carefully. The picture, here two windows are there. In the first window it is written complaints and the second window gratitude. Now see, from this picture it is shown that lots of people standing in front of the complaints window and no one is there in front of the gratitude window. So what does it shows? It shows that people are having lots of complaints but no one wants to show the gratitude. So you may write this in your book itself. Now come to the story. The gift of disciple. A young man, while roaming the desert, come across a spring. The water was crystal clear and he found it very tasty. The water was so sweet that he filled his leather water bag so he could bring some back to his master. See, children, here one young man was roaming towards the desert and he come across a spring. Near the spring season he came and he found the crystal clear water. When he tasted, it was very tasty. So just he likes the taste of the water. Water was so sweet, and the man, he was having a leather bag with him. So he filled the water in his leather bag so he could bring some back to his master. Means as a gratitude or as a gift, he want to give that water, sweet water, to his master. Now, next, after a 4-day journey, he presented the water to the old man. He took a deep drink, smiled warmly, and thanked his student lavishly for the sweet water. The young man returned to his village happy and satisfied. See, when he returned back from his journey, then he presented that water to his old man. Then the old man, when he took the water, he drank with smile and and he was thankful to the that young man for that sweet water. And the young man, he returned to his village because the old man, he smiled warmly and he thanks to that man because of that water. Next, later The teacher let another student taste the water. He spat it out, saying it was awful. It apparently had become stale because of the old leather container. Means afterwards he want the teacher want to taste the water to the any other student. When he gave the water to another student, he spat it out. Spat it out means as he drank, he threw the water on the floor. He spit the water on the floor, saying it was awful. He said awful. Awful means very bad. The taste was very bad. Taste was very unpleasant. It apparently had become stale. Stale means no longer fresh because of the old leather container. He said that it seems that water is not fresh because of the old leather container, because the container was of leather and it was very old. Because of that, water the taste of water becomes stale. Next, the student said to his teacher, Master, the water was foul. Why did you pretend to like it? Then the student he said to the teacher, the water was foul. Foul means offensive to the senses, especially through having a disgusting smell or taste. Means the water taste was very dirty. And why do you pretended to like it? Means why do you have done actions? Why do you want to show that the water was tasty? You could have told the water was not good. The teacher replied, you only tasted the water. I tasted the gift. The water was simply the container for an act of gratitude, and nothing could be sweeter. Means the teacher he replied that you tasted the water, but he tasted the gift because the young man he brought the gift from the desert for his master. So he tasted the gift. The gift, whatever gift we get from someone, that we should keep as a gift or as a gratitude. We should be thankful towards that person whosoever is giving the gift to us. So the master was feeling the gratitude towards his student. So he said nothing could be sweeter than the gratitude. Okay, children. So now go through this story. We will meet in the next video. By that time, take care. Goodbye.